Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I get to walk you through an all-new boat from Aviara. So this is the AV28S, and the S is their Surf Edition. So this is a brand new 28-foot boat that comes in the Surf package or just a regular IO package. This one in particular is the Surf. So let's take a look. So we have the gray on the hull side with a nice black accent and a black bottom. We've got the beautiful tower that does come down by a push of a button inside the boat, and it does articulate backwards. So pretty cool design. We'll show you that a little bit later. And then we come to the back of the AV28. So let's take a look underneath. You can see it has the tabs under here for surfing, so that can be controlled up at the helm. And then this is built with the Mercury. This is an 8.2 liter big block V8. And this particular drive is the Bravo 4S. So this is their Surf Edition reverse drive that obviously works like an IO, but because the props are pointing the other way, this was what makes it surfable. So also wanted to point out here is the drop down swim platform. Obviously, when this comes all the way down, this can drop down into the water, just be another place to hang out on the back of the boat. There's a couple speakers on the back of the boat as well, so when you're hanging out swimming, you can hear that music, or when you're surfing, you can hear that music as well. There's a ton to see on the interior, so why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard the all-new AV28S. So pretty much looks a lot like the other AV28s, but love the layout of this boat. You've got beautiful seating in the back, again, for hanging out with family and friends. And then when you're ready to get into the boat, they have a nice walk through here on the starboard side with some storage underneath there. Get down into the boat, and you've got the nice sea decking on the floor. And then you have massive seating all the way around. Being a 28-foot boat, you can bring as many people as you'd like on the boat. Configurable seating as well. So this, just pull this up and it moves the backrest. And then you do have a bolster seat on both sides, and both are movable as well. So let's take a look here at the helm. Got the awesome looking Aviara steering wheel, really futuristic looking. It does move up and down as well. We've got the big 12-inch Simrad screen that's going to give you a ton of information, basically anything you want. You got charts, you've got different instruments on here, you've got information on your engine. So anytime you need engine diagnostics, you can click on that. And then over here on the right-hand side, we've got your controls for different lighting options, lights in the interior, and then this is where we would deal with the surfing as well. So you can do your cruise or your zero off at what you want, your ballast, and then your trim tabs are right here as well. And then a few more other things. So really nice to have that right at your fingertips, both of them side by side. And then in the 28, you get a wonderfully appointed head. So nice head right here, vacuum flush, great place if you need to use that. And then we come to the bow. So the AV28, again, being a 28-foot boat, we've got massive seating up here. Right now it does have the filler cushion in here. This can be taken out, so if you want to walk around here, but great place to sit, really safe, nice and deep. You've got cup holders on both sides. You've got grab handles, speakers, all over here as well. So it's a great boat, the AV28 Surf Edition. So if you're ready to surf on a big 28-foot boat, this is the way to go. This boat is here at our Rogers location if you'd like to take a look and get some more information. We do have appointments, so if you want to give us a call and set up an appointment, we'll do that as well. But as always, please click the like button to these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we put out every day.